Now let us start division. Let us start division. 54.9 by 10 first. 54.9 by 10. 54.9 by 10. This I can write 54.9 divided by 10. Okay, let us see the answer what it comes. 54.9 divided by 10. Okay, so this is my 54.9. 54.9. Let us divide this by 10. Yes, so now consider the digit before decimal. Before decimal we have 54. So 10 fives are 50, 10 fives are, yes, 10 fives are 50, 10 fives are 50, then subtract, this is 4, okay. Now after, yes, now this point is carried, so then 9 is carried, so this becomes 49, but decimal is there, so we write decimal, 49. Now 10 fours are 40, yes, 9 minus 0 is 9, one more 0 I will add, okay, 10 nines are 90, okay, then remainder is 0, so the answer is 5.49. The answer is 5.49. The answer is 5.49. Okay. The answer is 5.49. So you have to keep on dividing. See, before decimal it is 54. So 10 fives are 50. Then 4 is smaller than 10. So 9 is carried, but 9 is after decimal. So one decimal I will put. Then 10 fours are 40. Then 9. See, 54.9 I can write 54.90 also, no? Yes or no? Yes. So 0 is carried, 90, 10 nines are 90. Oh, let us see. 7.8 by 100. 7.8 by 100. 7.8 second. 7.8 by 100. 7.8 by 100. Okay. So this is 7.8 divided by 100. Yes. So let us see what it comes. 7.8. Okay. This is 7.8. Okay. This is 100. Now before decimal what is there? 7. So 7 is smaller than 100. One minute. No, not 100. 100. This is 7. This is 100. So 0. 100 into 0, 0. 7 minus 0 is 7.8. Okay. 7.8. Now point is there. I will carry this. 78. But again 78 is smaller. So this 7.8. 7.8 you can write. How many zeros you want to add? You can add. Okay, so this is 1 0 will be carried. 8 will be carried. Again 78 is smaller. Yes, 78 is smaller. 1 0. So 100 0 0. So this becomes 78 again. Then 1 0 is carried. 100 sevens are 700. Then 8 0. 1 0 is carried. 100 8s are 100 8s are correct. 800. Answer is 0. Okay. So this you can check the. Take 1 minute. You can check the calculation. 0.078 multiplied by 100 will be 0.07800. Now you want to put the decimal. Yes. So 0.7.8 it is. 7.8 divided by 100. 7.8 divided by 100. So check the calculation. 7.8 divided by 100. 0.078. Yes. Are you getting this? Answer is 0.078. Okay. Answer is 0.078. Answer is 0.078. Now check the calculation. 0.078. Okay. Then 0.01 divided by 0.001. Let us see this. 0.01 0.01 0.01. So divide this 0.01 in the textbook, my dear. In the textbook, the sum is there in the textbook. What is that? 0.01. 1 minute. 1 minute. 324.76. Now third one. 324.76 divide by 1000. Yes, in the same way you will do this. Should I give homework? This one? Yes. Homework. Wait, my dear. Same way you will do. Then 12.8 by 4. 12.8 divided by 4. You can do this. Yes or no? Okay. Homework. Then 27.918 divided by 9. Divided by 9. Yes, what about this? All of you are confident? Okay. Okay, chalo. Then sixth one, 4.672 divided by 8. Divided by 8. This is 4, smaller. So first you will multiply by 0. First you will multiply by 0. Is it clear? This is 4. Chalo, homework. Then seventh 4.32 by 1.2. Let me do this. 4.32. 4.32 divided by 1.2. Let me do this. 4.32 divided by 1.2. So this is same as 4.32 divided by 1.2. Okay. Let me first remove the decimal part. Wherever decimal is there in both, you have to remove the decimal part. How you will remove the decimal part? See this. 1.2 you have to convert into 12. That means when 1.2 will become, when you remove the decimal of denominator, see. No, wait. When you remove the decimal of denominator, you have to multiply by 10 in the numerator. Okay? after decimal one digit is there. Remember this, when you are removing the decimal of denominator, you have to multiply by 10, 100 in the numerator. After decimal one digit, so I will multiply by 10 in the numerator. So this is 4320 upon 12. Now decimal will be placed after how many digits? 1, 2, 1, 2. This becomes 43.20. So now there is 1.2 has become 12. Now you can divide 43.20 by 12. Yes or no? This is clear? Whenever you are removing the decimal of numerator, you have to multiply in the denominator. Whenever you are removing the decimal of denominator, you have to multiply in the numerator. That is the rule. Okay. So let us divide 43.20 by 12. Let us divide 12. This is 43. This is 12. 12 3s are 36. Okay. Then this is 7. Then 2 is carried, but there it is decimal. So point. 12 6 are 72. Then 1 0. 0 is there. 0 will come. This 0 is there. Then 1 0 I will add. So answer is 3.60. What is the answer? 3.60. Yes, got the answer. 3.60. Okay. So 4.32 divided by 1.2 is 3.60. 3.60 is same as 3.6. Okay. 3.60 same as 3.6, my dear. Yes. Whether you say 3.60, so you have to remove the decimal of the denominator. So after decimal one digit, so multiply by 10 in the numerator and remove that decimal. Now next is 7.644 by 1.4. 7.644 7.644 7.644 7.644 7.644 7.644 7.644 by 1.4. Eighth one. 7.644 7.644 divided by 1.4. So this is 7.644 divided by 1.4. Yes, divided by 1.4. What you will do? When you will remove the decimal, after decimal how many digit? One digit. So multiply by 10 in the numerator. So 76440 upon 14. But you have numerator, you have to place the decimal after 3 digits. So from right, 1, 2, 3. 76.44. 76.440 divided by 14. Now you can divide easily. Decimal has gone. So 76.440 divided by 14. 14 and this is 76. 14 5s are 70. Okay. Then 6 is carried. 6 is remainder. 6. 4 is carried. So decimal. 14 5s are 70. 14 4s are 56. 14 4s are 56. then 8, then 4 is carried, 84, 14 sevens are 84, 84, 84 minus 84 0, okay. So 10 you can write 5.470, 5.470, that is same as 5.47. 14 6 yes, 14 6 6 5.460, yes, 14 7 98, yes, 5.46, answer is 5.46, okay, answer is 5.46, answer is 5.46, yes, yes. So clear this part, division. So whenever this is 1.4, whenever you want to divide by 1.4, you multiply by 10 in the numerator. If decimal, after decimal one digit, multiply by 10 in the numerator. Then 4.8432 by 0.08. Let us see. 4.8432, ninth one. 4.8432 divided by 0.08, 0.08, yes. So this I can write 4.8432 divided by 0.08. Now you tell me after decimal how many digits are there? 2 digits. So when you will remove the decimal, you have to multiply by 100, because after decimal there are 2 digits, my dear. So this become 4843200 upon 008 is same as 8. Okay, 008 is same. Now place the decimal after 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. So move from right, 1 2 3 4. So this become 484.32. 484.32 divided by 8. So divide this, 484.32 divided by 8. 8, first we consider 2 digits, 8 6 are 48, okay, that has gone. Now 4, yes, then 4 is there, 0, then 3 is there, divide it and tell me the answer. Do it fast. Tell me the answer. Now this is 4 is smaller than 8, so 1 0 will come, then 3 is carried, 8 0 0, 4 minus 0 is 4, then 43, then decimal is there, 8 5s are 40, then it is 3 32, 8 4s are 32, 32 minus 32 0, 32 minus 32 0, so answer is 60.54. Answer is yes, ask the doubt, my dear. Why divide by 4? Okay, same answer you will get, my dear, same answer. What is the answer? 60.54. What is the answer? 60.54. Yes? Yes, understood. Answer is 60.54. Same answer you will get. Even though you will convert them to the least term and divide, you will get the same answer. Even though when you will convert that to the least term and divide, you will get the same answer. Answer will not be different. Okay. Now next is divide each of the following given number by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Step 1. Divide each of the given number. Divide each of the given number. Divide each of the given number. Divide each of the given number by divide each of the given number by 10. Divide each of the given number by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. 1 minute. 4 is not plus. Divide each of the given number by 1 minute. It is not blood. Some patches are there. 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, let me do one problem. First it is 2.1. Now we want to divide 2.1 by 10. So let us do 2.1 divided by 10. So what you will do? Tell me. No, my dear, whenever, yes, okay. Now decimal is there where? Decimal is there in the numerator. So when you will remove the decimal of the numerator, you have to multiply by 10 in the denominator. So this becomes 21 upon 10 into 10. That is 21 upon 100. No, 21 upon 100. Now you have to place. Now you have to place the decimal. So move from right. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So move from right and place the decimal after 2 digits. So that is 0.21. 0.21. That is same as 0.21. 0.21 is same as 0.21. Okay. So are you following this? Yes. Is it clear? Now let us divide 2.1 by 100. One more time. Chalo. Now 2.1 we want to divide by 10. Now decimal is there in which part? In numerator part. Correct? Decimal is there in the numerator part. So when you will remove the decimal, you have to multiply by 10 in the denominator. So that becomes 21 upon 100. Okay? Now 100 is there. Now there are 2 zeros. So now you have to place the decimal in the numerator. So move from right and place the decimal after 2 digits because there are 2 zeros. Yes. So now next is 2.1 divided by 100. Yes. So 2.1 divided by 100. What you will do? Now let us see. Let me explain you another method. This is 21. This is 21 upon 100 into 10. Chalo, ठीक है. Let us follow one method only. So that is 21 upon 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Okay. So this 21 I can write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 1 upon 1000. Before it, yes, let me explain you. Write on this. 0, 0, 2, 1 upon 1000. Now place the decimal after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. That is 0.021. 0.021 is the answer. Yes. Now see another method. Whichever method you like, you can follow that method. 2.1 divided by 100. Okay. 2.1 divided by 100. 2.1 divided by 100. Yes. 2.1 divided by 100. Or means another method. 2.1 divided by 100. Correct? Now, whenever there is 100 or 10 in the denominator, you have to shift the decimal. Shift decimal. Shift decimal to left. Shift decimal from right to left. Shift decimal from right to left. Shift decimal to left. Shift decimal to left. Okay. Now how many is, see, 2.1 divided by 100. I can write 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 2.1 upon 100. Yes or no? Before number you can add any zeros. Yes or no? 5 I can write 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Now you have to shift the decimal to left. Shift the decimal. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So shift the decimal to 2 digit of left. Tell me what is there? Yes? You have to shift the decimal. 0, 0, 0, 0.021. 0.021 is same as 0.021. Yes? Understood? Yes? Whenever it is 10 or 100 in the denominator, you have to shift the decimal to the left. Yes? Are you following this? Yes. Now let us do. Yes. Ask the doubt. My dear, you can add as many as 0. You can add 20, 30, 40 before any number. Before any number you can add as many as zeros. Okay. So I have written 030, you can take 20, no problem. Then 0.021. Okay, that is same as 0.021. Now divide 2.1 by 1000. With this technique. With this technique you divide 2.1 by 1000. With this technique you divide 2.1 by 1000. With this technique you divide 2.1 by 1000. Chalo. 2.1 divided by 1000. 2.1 divided by 1000 with this technique. Shifting of decimal. Okay, chalo. 2.1 divided by 1000. Okay. So this I can write 0.000 2.1 divided by 1000. Okay. Now we have to shift the decimal. We have to shift the decimal. We have to shift the decimal to the left. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So decimal will come here. Shift the decimal. Are you getting this? So that becomes 0.0021. 0.00. This is 1000. Okay. Now we have to divide 2.1 by 10,000. Chalo. 2.1 divided by. So this is 10,000. There are 4 zeros, so add 4 zeros. Chalo. This I can write 0.000 2.1 divided by 10,000. Okay. Now you have to shift the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. To the left. To the left. Decimal will come here. Yes. So that is 0.00021. Okay. 0.00021. Yes, follow this technique. Shifting of the decimal. Do not count from the beginning. Wherever decimal is there, from there you shift to the left. Do not shift from the starting. Okay. Wherever decimal is there, from there you have to make a shift to the left, not from the beginning. If you do from the beginning, answer will be wrong. Wherever decimal is there, from there you have to shift the decimal. Yes, understood this point? Yes or no? Nicely understood? Chalo, let me do one more problem if you want. 8.64. Second one, 8.64. 8.64 divided by 10. Yes, so now shift the decimal. 1 0 is there, this I can write 08.64. This I can write 08.64 divided by 10. Now shift the decimal, 1 0 is there, so shift the decimal to the left. That will be 0.864. Yes, all of you agree with this? Okay. Now 8.64 divided by 100. It is 100, so add 2 zeros. Chalo, 008.64 divided by 100. Now there are 2 zeros in the denominator. So you shift the decimal 2 digits to the left. It will come there. So what is that? 0.0864. Yes, all of you agree? 0.0864. 0.0864. 0.0864. Okay. Let us do 8.64 divided by 1000. Divide by 1000. So there are 3 zeros. So add 3 zeros before 8. 8.64 divided by 1000. So now wherever decimal is there, from there you make a shift of 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. Decimal will come. 0.00864. Yes, 0.00864. Now let us divide 8.64 by 10,000. By 10,000. So add 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8.64 divided by 1000. Yes, divided by 10,000. So now there are 4 zeros. So shift the decimal to the left. 1, 2, 3. Shift the decimal to the left. Shift the decimal to the left. So that will be 0.0000864. Yes or no? I think this method is more convenient. Shifting of decimal. Yes. Yes, all of you understood this method, shifting of decimal. Whenever you have to shift, yes, shifting of decimal you should do whenever it is divided by 10, 100, 1000. Okay. So now next is 5.01. Let me give you problem for practice. 5.01. 5.01. 5.01. Okay. 5.01. Third one, 5.01. So this will definitely help you in your chemistry, physics and chemistry. 5.01. Homework. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal are a part of numerical problems in physics and chemistry. 0.09, 0.0906, 0.0906, then 0.125, 0.125. Yes, homework I should give, homework. 0.125 homework. Okay. Then 111.11. 111.11. 111.11. Yes, what about this? Homework. Are you confident? Are you confident about this? Okay, homework. Now 1 star question I am giving. Chalo, 1 star question. 3 star question. 4.84 divided by 0.4. चलो स्टार क्वेश्चन you have to solve. चलो 1 minute time I am giving you. One minute time I am giving you. 4.84 divided by 0.4. Chalo, do it. 1 minute. What is the answer? Yes. 12.10 same as 1. Yes. Very good answer. Correct answer is 12.1. Okay. 12.10. 12.10 same as 12.1. So correct answer is 12.1. Very good. What is your name? Shreya Veera. What is your name? Parvora. 12.1. Very good. So both of you gave the correct answer, 12.1. So do the homework. Tomorrow we will see the remaining part of this. Yes. Bye everybody. Bye.